Joy. Doon pa ako tumakbo papunta dito. But anyway, again, thank you so much everyone for tuning in with our race this year. Is everybody
Good morning,
ready?
guys!
Ang
Hi,
sinaman
Teacher.
natin kausap ko dito. How about
Hi,
the rest?
Teacher.
Is everybody
Tatakbo.
ready? Sino nang ba yung after the 21-kilometer race? Or yung iba nasa likuran? Come on, everyone. Join us here in front of the stage. And I'm seeing here all the beautiful medals. Wow. Here we go, here we go. Few minutes left before the
God bless mga Pasigwan. First na magkahan. God bless. Congrats lang.
We also have coffee from G-Hub and Coffee Brand.
Thank you.
So don't haven't sent in their photos yet, pwede din po kayo magpa-picture sa ating photo booth. But if you want to grab already your snacks, your birthday.
Hindi ako nakapag-shoot guys, ang hirap mag-shoot. Anyway, natapos ko ang 21 kilometers ng 2 hours and 2 minutes. Yung 21.3 yata kilometers, 2 hours and 4 minutes. Not bad, kahit may knee injury ako, tinan nyo. Yan. Naalala nyo last week, nagkaroon ako ng knee injury kasi sa katangahan ko, sa sobrang paglalaro sa daan, nag-jump shot ako, and then pagkatapos ko mag-jump shot, ako yung nadapa ako. So medyo masakit pa yung yung right knee ko, pero tolerable naman siya. So I ran slow and steady. At least natapos ko yung natapos ko yung 21 kilometers na okay ang paa ko, walang injury, walang additional injury. Ayan siya. So ang hirap-hirap ang hirap mag-shoot kasi copyright tayo nito for sure. Super copyright kasi yung music, tinan nyo ang lakas. So dito muna ako guys, magsushoot muna ako because pag nandoon ako sa may event area, ang lakas-lakas ng music. So of course, possible ang copyright. YouTube is very strict, especially sa mga music na may nagmamayari talaga. Pero yung mga ganito, okay lang yan kasi ito, yung mga drums lang naman yan, wala man yung copyright. Pero yung talagang music na may mga artists, yun, yung may mga may-ari talaga ng music, makaka-copyright tayo yan. So, dito muna tayo mag-shoot. So again, I did my 21 kilometers for 2 hours and 2 minutes. And then yung remaining, kasi sobra siya ng 21, 2 and 4. 2 hours and 4 minutes. Not bad kasi may knee injury nga ako, di ba? May yung paa ko, yung right leg ko, yung right knee ko, mayroong problema kasi last run ko nadapa ako dahil sa tumalon-talon nga ako, nag-jump shot ako, ayun, na-outbalance ako. Ito yan Ayan. So I did my 21 kilometers. Yan, it's my first time joining this kind of event dito sa Happy Feet 2025. Ang kasi, nakasali na ako doon sa environmental run. Today is the environmental run as well. So since nakasali na ako doon last time, dito naman ako ngayon para ma-experience ko naman yung event na to. Yan siya. So punta muna ako doon sa may event area. Nag-ano lang ako, nag-washroom lang ako sandali. Mahirap magpigil ng ihi guys. So pag magpipigil ng ihi, kawawang kidney. Naong dito yung madadrown sa ihi. And it's delikado. So, ito yung event area. Medyo marami-rami din kami. Pero hati ang hati ang participants because there are 3 events for today's video. We have Happy Feet 2025, Environmental Run 2025, and then the Run Rio Pride Run. Yeah. For sure, copyright ito. Dami oh. Maliit lang tingnan kasi malayo ako.
Disabilities. For over 9 years, our hospital has served the Filipino community with excellence and surgical care. At the heart of our mission is a dual commitment of healing the sick and proclaiming the kingdom of God. We treat children with conditions such as clubfoot, bowed legs, bone deformities, cleft lip and palate, post-burn contractures, and pediatric hernias. In addition to world-class clinical service, Tebow Cure Children's Hospital ministers the emotional and spiritual needs of our patients and their families. Since opening our doors in 2014, we have performed over 12,500 life-changing surgical procedures and hosted more than 80,000 visits to our clinics. Thousands of lives have been transformed. As an example of lives that have been transformed, let me introduce you to 3 very special children, Pedring, Risamal, and Crisano, who are part of our Tebow Cure Children's Hospital family. Out of 9 siblings, Pedring, Risamal, and Crisano were born with clubfoot conditions. They come from a remote tribal barangay in Malita, about 5 hours from our hospital. Due to the absence of nearby specialty hospitals and marginal family income from corn farming, they missed out on essential medical care. This situation made it more challenging for them to get to school, given the difficult mountainous terrain, and has also negatively impacted their self-esteem due to bullying, due to their appearance and physical limitations. Risamal and Crisano have resumed their education, returning to school, and Pedring is set to enroll in ALS, the Alternative Learning System option for older children to resume their studies. Many children with disabilities face life-restricting barriers to essential services, especially in education and healthcare. Thanks to your generosity and support, children like Pedring, Risamal, and Crisano are receiving life-changing surgeries which allow them to pursue their education, their God-given dreams, and full potential. Our commitment is for all patients to leave the hospital with a zero balance on their bill. Daghan salamat, thank you so much. May God richly bless you.
For the 3rd year in a row. As you saw, we strive to treat many children who cannot have these services in their areas. We bring in children from Zamboanga Sebugay, from Dumaguete, from even Baguian Island coming into the hospital for their treatment for their limitations that they have so they can leave the hospital with a more blessed life. There are several of our children over here on this side who are undergoing clubfoot treatment right now at the hospital. They're with us for several months. They actually stay here in Davao at a lodging facility. We are just overjoyed that you are helping us to achieve our mission of healing the sick and proclaim the kingdom of God. We are very blessed for every child that comes into the hospital, for them to leave and their families with a zero balance on their bill. That's only possible because we have events like this to help to sponsor those surgeries. So everything from the beginning of time, from entering the hospital, the surgeries, the medicine, the laboratories, everything, physical therapy, speech therapy, is all given to the families without even 1 peso of charge. That's only possible because of your support at events like this. Daghan salamat. Thank you so much for being with us today. Thank you for coming out so early. Thank you JCI and all the sponsors. Daghan salamat.
Once again, thank you very much, Sir Peter Alphonse, for joining us for today's program. O ginaawat kitang tanan, mga Dabaweños, no? Bisitahan po nato ang ilang booth, which is situated dito lamang po sa left side of the stage. Kay usa sila sa espesyalistang hospital nga gahatag og sponsored nga operasyon para sa mga bata. Kung naama mo'y adunay kaila, feel free to approach them. And they're actually roaming around, yung mga partners po nila, mga staff din po nila, under Cure, is roaming around, sharing also their brochures for you to know more about the details of the said hospital. And at this point as well, I'm also seeing individuals now lining up sa atong Freedom Wall. I'm also encouraging the rest na wala pa nakasulat. We will be celebrating our Humanities Day, and all you need to do is just answer that simple question. What's your role in creating a positive change? Lakas naman mga pageant, ano yun? Question, no? What's your role in creating a positive change? So may pens naman din po tayo nakalagay na dyan. So maybe after lining up sa photo booth natin, pwede na rin po kayo mag-line up sa ating Freedom Wall. And for most especially sa mga brothers na nakabalik lang dito sa Azuela po, hindi na line up din. Also reminding everyone to keep hold of your personal belongings. Because kanina may nawalan po ng ID, hopefully na-claim na po yun. Because malay natin, di ba, baka kayo na ang makauwi ng ating round trip ticket. Good for one to Hong Kong. And now I'll be sharing the microphone to our race director, Sir Sol Lorejo, for a few statements.
Hi, good morning. Honors, thank you very much from 10 km, 21 km, and 5 km. Thank you kay guys sa inyong madasigo na pag-appeal sa amuang panagan Happy Feet by JCI. And guys, we would like to invite you sa amuang Ateneo Superheroes Fun Run. Yours truly, ako nga po ang race director. This coming July 13. Ang atuang venue is
The race bib number 5470, Ms. Renalyn Lausan. Nabanggit ko to kanina itong top 3. Team What a Packs, congratulations! And we're down to the last category. 21 kilometers! Grabe! Let's go and welcome them here on stage. Race bib number 21162, Rachel Supere. Congratulations, Miss Vivian. 21055, Mr. Elmer Tortolo. before na ko ihatag sa imuha, ma'am, basig na kay gusto pasalamatan, imo mga kauban. Basig chance na rin imo ni ma'am. Pangalan na to, ma'am?
Rhea Manzanares. Rhea. R-E-A.
Miss Greya. Taga-asa pa si Miss Greya? Nagkahinay ang tingog ni ma'am. Nagkahinay ang tingog niya. Dili na gusto i-reveal kung taga-asa siya. Pero taga Davao lang siya. Ma'am, kisa ba'y kauban ni mo, ma'am?
Mga workmates.
Mga workmates. Sa asa man, ma'am?
Mindanao Orthopedic Sports and Rehabilitation Center.
So, dili nagjudaw to ma-mention no, kay taas jud kaayo to. Pero, daghang kay salamat, ma'am. Mga physical therapists. Oh, wow! So, you have 1, 2, 3, 5 mo kabuk magbarkada, workmates, ang karon? Yes. So, ma'am, kanusa mo nag-register, ma'am, sa atong Happy Feet?
Before na human. Karon dyan lang.
Bago lang atong June lang, ma'am. And what can you say with your experience?
Saya.
First ba ni mo ni na fun run, ma'am?
Yes. Ay, first sa Happy Feet.
First half. Of course, ma'am. First Happy Feet. Pero, pipila na ba ka fun run, ma'am, imong naapilan? 4 na of this year. Ayan, so looking forward, madungagan pa na, ma'am. At na lang, lisdan, ma'am, na natanggal yung taon niya medal. Sa sobrang niya, pagka-excite. Ay, Hong Kong. Ah, sige, ma'am. Tanaw na to, ma'am, kung mapuli na to ang Hong Kong. Ano siya, swap na lang. Very active pod when it comes to mga ani na mga platforms. Han, anything you would like to say sa tanang mga participants? And of course, sa mga event partners na to, sponsors nga, nagpaluyo aning programa.
Q&A.
Oh, Q&A ni siya karon. Go ahead, candidate number 1.
Ano lang, thank you so much to everyone behind this event. Honestly, I've only recently gotten into running, but today actually daghan kay run sa Davao, but I really chose Happy Feet because of the cause for Tibo Cure, because I've also been in communication with them before pa, and I've attended their events, and it's really for a good cause. So today we ran, some of us very interested na sa running. We have our own PR na goal na to. But at the
Nabit
end
ba ang
of the-
PR today?
Yes po, nabit.
Wow!
Isang 3 hours na ang tulog.
Sana all, ang ako kay nagkataas man nun ng PR. Or, pero sige lang. Congrats, Han. Anyway, yes,
Yeah,
continue.
but behind all that, after everything, it's all for a good cause, good. And hopefully, we can really see the help sa Tibo Cure, because it's really such a good organization. They really help a lot of people.
And that is all, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan naman po taga-asa.
My name is Julie Edpan, taga Kalinan, Tugbo.
Uy, taga-kalingan na siningan naman dito, ma'am, kay taga-mental, rabi ako. Kisa ba'y kauban na to karon, ma'am?
Ako ang fiancé, ma'am.
Sana all. Namiss na noon ako po akong fiancé. Ay, sorry kay nag-ano no ang ato ang speaker. But anyway, ma'am, kanusta naman ang kasal?
Madaogan kami sa raffle.
Prenup na dayon ta dayon no.
Ma'am.
Correct. And of course, sa Krisha Els na dayon ta magpa-coordinate o diretsyo na dayon. Host dayon ninyo po. Okay na dayon, ma'am. Check off the list na Sure, nag-marketing naman dili ano. But of course, no, ma'am, I would like to ask, how many years ba mo in a relationship before getting engaged?
9.
9 years! Pakpaka na to, ladies and gentlemen! So sa 9 years, ma'am, no, marag-same siya tag-feeling na finally may ganin niluhod ni Jud siya. No, kay taas-taas na siya kay Pudto. So ma'am, I would like to ask as well, pampila na ba ninyo ni na fanaran pod?
First together.
Wow! First of the many na inyo ang my experience. And kung sa may gusto nyo ipabot po, ma'am, no? Kaya labi na sa mga bata po, ang beneficiary aning programa na ni.
This is a very good cause ang fun run na makahelp sa mga bata na Tibo, and i-support nato sa mga runners na pagdana po event next year po na mag-join gihapon nila. Raffle, syempre.
Oo, of course. Oo.
So, uwi na tayo guys. It's almost 8 o'clock in the morning. Tinapos namin yung raffle kasi syempre, sino ba naman ang ayaw ng trip to Hong Kong? So, sa 21 kilometer category yung nanalo. 21,195 ang kanyang number. I almost got one a while ago. Kasi yung bib number ko is 21021. Tapos, ang nabunot is 21027. So, yun. So, uwi na tayo. Going home, we're heading home. Ay, hindi pala. Sa boarding home. Wait na tayo. It's a well-organized fun run. Really nice, as in super nice. maraming marshals, maraming phone sa daan. Hindi kami nawala kasi there are several fun run events na kulang sa marshal, kulang sa mga phone. Ito kompleto talaga and guided talaga kami. So far, this is one of the best fun run na nasalihan ko. Siyempre, hindi naman na fun run yung 21 kilometer because it's a half marathon. So, yeah. Pero ito yung isa sa pinakamagandang talaga fun run na nasalihan ko. Ang dami ng sponsors and ang gaganda ng mga premyo sa doon sa raffle. And then malalaki ang prizes sa kanilang top 3 podium finishers from 5, 10 and 21 kilometers. I know. Ayun. I think magka-copyright talaga ako dito sa ko na to, sa vlog ko na to, but it's okay. I don't mind naman doon sa I don't mind naman sa copyright as long as hindi ako masa-strike kay YouTube. Ayun. So, till my next run guys, I will be running next week. That's July 6, 2025 and that will be the first ever Duterte run. And I will be running 21 kilometers again kasi nabibitin na ako sa 10 kilometers. Parang 10 kilometers is not enough for me. So, 21 kilometers ako and then on August, middle ng August at saka katapusan ng August, I will be running 32 kilometers sa Hoka Trilogy. And I don't know sa BBG, hindi ko alam kung 21 kilometers or 25 or 32. Hindi ko pa nakita yung nila, yung yung categories. But I will be running doon sa pinakamahaba na category. Sana makayanan ko and sana hindi ako magkaroon ng sprain, hindi ako mamulikat, ganun. So yun lang. I'm just enjoying my run and hindi naman ako nag-aasam na makapasok dyan sa podium because that's for the elite. Lang naman ako, I'm just a simple runner who wants to run, who wants to be fit, who wants to be healthy. So yun. I'll see you then on my next vlog, people. I love you all. God bless.